Following a rise in maritime security incidents near the Indian coast and across the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, the question arises that what is India doing? Stay tuned to uncover the story. But first thing first, we must understand why the Red Sea Gulf of Aden is so important. The Red Sea Gulf of Aden is considered as arteries of global trade. Approximately world's 45% trade passes through this route, and choking this route would create havoc in the world economy. Welcome to your own YouTube channel, Unfurl the Universe. If you are first time on this channel, do consider to subscribe. It surely helps to grow the channel, so keep supporting. Now, without wasting any time, let us see what India is doing. The Indian Navy has deployed 5 frontline destroyers, INS Kochi, INS Mormugao, INS Kolkata, and INS Chennai, along with a Talwar-class frigate, to secure these vital waterways. Recent drone attacks on merchant vessels like MV Chem Pluto and piracy incidents like the seizure of MV Ruin highlight the evolving threats in the region, but rest assured, the Indian Navy stands guard. Its commitment to safe passage is etched in steel and fueled by unwavering resolve. Recognizing the shift in threats towards the Arabian Sea off the Gulf of Aden, the Indian Navy has strategically positioned these powerful warships, INS Kochi, INS Mormugao, INS Kolkata, and INS Chennai, known for their agility and firepower, form a formidable force patrolling these waters, ready to respond to any incident and protect merchant vessels. The accompanying Talwar-class frigate adds an extra layer of vigilance, ensuring no corner of the area goes unnoticed. This strong naval presence serves as a clear message. The Indian Navy is committed to securing these vital shipping lanes. It bolsters confidence among merchant vessels navigating the region and deters any potential hostile elements. While these warships play a critical role, the Indian Navy's efforts extend far beyond. Aerial surveillance by P8I Poseidon aircraft and RPAs continues to maintain complete maritime domain awareness. Close collaboration with the Indian Coast Guard ensures seamless information sharing and coordinated operations. And on land, intelligence gathering and analysis keep the Navy informed of any evolving threats. Through its swift and decisive action, the Indian Navy demonstrates its unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety of merchant shipping and maintaining the rule of law in the Arabian Sea. As these ships and men patrol the seas, they stand as guardians of peace, protecting not just India's shores but the very lifeblood of global trade. I am keeping a close watch on the developments in this area and would post updates as soon as it is there. Please like the video if you found the video informative. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and do share your valuable comments on the stance of the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard.